Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to show you a new kit that I have been working on for the past weeks. I started working on it before summer already, but it needs a name. So, as you might know, I always do a name giveaway. So it's Give Me a Name giveaway. I'm going to show you the pages. It's sort of shabby chic vibe going on, I think. I'm not sure though. Yeah, I do think it's shabby chic. And like I said, it needs a name. It's a huge kit. It has 28 pages in total, 14 journal pages, also with backing papers, and 14 ephemera pages. And yeah, I tried something new for me, more like the shabby chic side. I don't think I have a lot of that in my shop. I'm not sure though, because I still can't grab the shabby chic vibe. I really don't know for sure what it is, but maybe you can help me out. This is just a promo sheet. It has lots of pinks, florals, advertisement, and sweet little girls in it. So this is page number 1. Page number 2. It has collage sheets with greens and pinks. I'm going to stop counting because I have to say this 28 times. Not sure if you can see the design very well. And some of them are meant to be a little bit blurry as a background paper, and others are meant to be more vibrant. Then there's a lace paper. I really like this one. Chandeliers going on, roses, scripts. This one is more pink toned. Actual journal paper you can write on. I also included lace paper in brown beige tone. We have this paper. This is my favorite one, with the flowers and the wallpaper strips. Then I have some sort of labels that can be turned into tuck spots or used as a book plate on your cover or as a centerpiece on your journal paper. 2 journaling cards with a border I created with a trim, 2 butterflies. Another envelope with, an envelope with another wallpaper trim, other colors. 3 large stackable tags. 6 scalloped tags. I think when I put it in a shop it will be slightly smaller because this is very huge on a page. So it's going to be a little bit smaller. Then we have 3 journal cards and a flower to fuzzy cut. Then I had this sheet with the stamps and flowers, and I thought it was really big. So I also included it in a smaller version, but I'm keeping this one in also, so you can decorate your pages. And maybe this is too big, but this can be something. Well, this can be something too, of course, but it's a very huge stamp. And then I have a frame, bows, chandeliers, and I want to do nice things with those. Some hand mirrors. I have hand mirrors already, and there are freebies in the Facebook group, by the way. This one. And you have the frames to put on. So these can go very well with these papers. Then I have a smaller version of the envelope with slanted pockets. Another envelope with 2 journaling cards. Slanted pockets, larger pieces. And these are the minis. Smaller text, smaller labels, smaller cards. Cards again, strip, the butterflies. And also have these in the minis. And this is the smaller version of the flowers, and I also have 2 of the clusters over here. So there is a lot to play with, and it needs a name. So if you like this kit and you have come up with a name for it, a suitable name, leave a comment down below using hashtag LDA, it's short from LineDotArrow, name giveaway. So name giveaway, and tell me the name you come up with and also why. You can win one of my digitals from my Etsy. You have until your Sunday night. It's already afternoon over here when I'm filming this, and I think your morning will start within 2 hours. So you have for about 24 hours to respond, and I will do the winner's drawing next week on Monday. Tomorrow, actually. Tomorrow it's Monday. And it will be listed in my Etsy, and of course for the Facebook group members I have a special coupon, a special discount. And if you are following one of the design team members, they have special coupon codes too. So it will be available in my Etsy, and it will also be available on my Ko-fi page, but just a few items. I will have for about 5 kits available on my Ko-fi page for a special price, and that is just to support my channel a little bit more. So if you want to purchase it and don't want to wait the contest and see if you actually won this kit, you can also go over to Ko-fi, buy me a coffee page, and purchase this one. There's a lot of confusion about Ko-fi. On Ko-fi you'll have a main feed, and then you have all the images and some of the freebies you can actually download. And you can also support me, and the supporting starts at a certain amount. I think it's €3. So if you want to purchase like the coffee papers that I showed in another video, they are available for €2, 10 pages, and you can enter in other challenge with those. You have to go to the shop. Maybe I should show you, one moment. I'm not sure if you can see, but this is my page, and you have a shop. This is in the shop. So if you go over to Ko-fi, let me put away my phone. If you go over to Ko-fi, make sure you are in the shop purchasing the kit. Otherwise you are paying money to support me and will not receive a download link. So 5 of these will be listed in my Ko-fi shop too. So there will be 2 listings in the Ko-fi shop, the coffee papers and this one. And if you're wondering what the coffee papers are, go to my channel, and the previous video before this one is about the coffee papers. I made, what did I make? I have them over here. Let me grab it. I made a file folder holder from a paper bag. And this is the file folder holder, and these are the pages that are in the coffee kit. It's upside down, I know. And this is available in my shop. So, and this is going to be used in the next challenge, or if you want to participate in Let's Have Some Coffee Together LDA Coffee Challenge, you can also use things from your own stash. But it's all explained in that video and also in the event in the Facebook group itself. So this is separated from the event. This is Give Me a Name giveaway, hashtag LDA, give me a name. Put the name down below. tell me why you think that name is suitable and why you think you should win this kit or any other kit from my shop. 5 pieces of this kit, 5 times it will be available on my Ko-fi shop, and it will be listed in my Etsy as soon as possible, even though it doesn't have a name, for a special price using the LDA group members coupon code, or you have the design team members code. Okay, I will also do an update on the Facebook group guest design team member thing and the ambassador thing, but I'm going to do it in a separate video, otherwise everything is blending in together. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to receive a lot of response on this kit. The names, I want to have a name, a suitable name. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment, but you're already doing that. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye. Bye.